Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to know how many lines needed for your design. Also I will show practically how to calculate how many lines needed for any logo design. You also learn how to design your logo letters in any shape, whatever polygon, circle, triangle and square. So friends, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial. So, let's start the video. So today, I'm gonna design SCM logo. I think everybody know how to determine how many lines needed for this design. If you don't know, today I will show you this practically. We know that for one letter, we take 4 lines. And take 1 line for one gap. There are 3 letters, so we need 12 lines for the logo. So let's prove that. There are 3 letters, take 4 lines for every lines. Can you tell me how many gap here in this 3 letters? Let's find out how many gap here in this logo. See that, there is 2 gap in this logo. If you don't understand anything, please let me know. If you don't know how many lines need for your design, do calculate it like this. Now add the total number of lines. So we find total 14 lines needed for the design. If this lines don't works, add 2 lines more. And doing this until the logo is not be match. But primarily design your logo with the calculated lines. That means 14 lines. So let's start the video. First take line segment tool and draw a line. Give it stroke color. Copy the lines by hold Alt and take total 14 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Now select all lines and make it middle align center and group it. Since we have to design our logo in polygon, we need to make polygon by the lines. There are 2 ways to make polygon by the lines. First one. If you know the degree of the polygon, then select the lines and go to the transform and select or write the degree. I select 60 degree. Now copy the lines with the same degree and opposite. For that, click right button of mouse, and go transform, and select reflect and copy it. Okay, that's good. Now select the lines, and copy it by following this method. You can also copy it by pressing Ctrl C, and Ctrl F. Now go transform, and make it 0 degree. See that? We have designed polygon by lines. Now let's try the easy way. First select the lines, and put it above the polygon. Now select the lines, and go transform, and rotate it equal to the polygonal lines. Now copy the lines by following the previous method. Now select the lines, and copy it. Now rotate it 0 degree. Now select the polygon, and delete it. Select everything, and rotate it like that. Now select the lines, and copy it. Now rotate it like that. So everything is ready. Now we design our logo on this line. So select everything. And take Shape Builder tool. And draw carefully your logo letters. First I draw S letter. Do it very carefully. Otherwise you'd do a mistake. Okay, that's good, I have done this. Most of the people ask me, they can't move the letters from the lines. So carefully listen. How can you move your letters properly? Before moving your letter, you need to ungroup every letter like this. After completing ungroup, then select every letter by hold Shift and move it from the lines. See that I have made a mistake. That's why I always told you, when you're drawing letter on lines, always be carefully. Okay, don't worry, we can remove it easily. There are two easy ways to remove it. Before that, selected the design, and turn off the stroke color. First one is, take line segment tool, and draw a line. Now select the lines, and go transform, and rotate it equal to polygonal mistake line. Okay, that's good. Now place the lines perfectly here. For better understand, go outline view by pressing Ctrl Y. Okay, I think that's perfect. Go back by pressing Ctrl Y. See that we have found another mistake. Now select the lines, and turn off its color. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and delete it by hold Alt. The second one is, take Pen tool, and draw a line from here to here. Turn off the color, and take Shape Builder tool, and delete it. Also do this like before. Okay, that's good. Now everything is okay. There is more gap between the letter. We can reduce the gap and make it more beautiful. For that, increase the stroke color that is suitable for your design. I think that's look good. Now select the design, and expand it. For expand, go to the object, and select expand. Now make it united from Pathfinder. If you don't find Pathfinder, go Windows, and select Pathfinder. Now united your design. Okay, that's good. We have designed our logo on polygon. Now we try to draw the same design on the circle. Most important information. Always take 14 lines for the design. Whatever it is, polygon or circle. So let's start the design. Take 14 lines following previous method. Okay, that's good. Now copy the lines. Okay, now rotate it. Now take a circle, and draw a circle on the lines. Now copy the circle. Make the circle smaller like that. Doing smaller like that. Okay, that's good. Now select everything. And take Shape Builder tool. Now draw your letter carefully on the lines. Okay, that's good. Now move the letter above from the lines. Okay, that's good. Now select the design, and increase the stroke color. Okay, that's look good. So friends, this is our today's video. I think you can learn something from this video. If you don't understand anything, please let me know your opinion. And don't forget to leave a like and comment. Thank you.